I'm Rob, and this is Mike, our tech here at Fabspeed, and we just did an install on this 986 Boxster S.
Yep, we put the Supercup Exhaust System on. Definitely gives it a little bit more growl than stock, makes it a little rowdier.
And it really does, huge difference.
Yeah.
I've driven other 986s stock and they are very quiet, and this definitely is the change it needed.
And it is just a fun car, and you know, like a lot of times, like, you know, it's the entry level, or you know, it's got the smaller engine, it's not a 911, people aren't wild about it, but like, this thing is just a blast to drive, especially with the system and all our parts, really. I mean, we have the comp intake, yeah, the Super Cup, the Max Flow, yeah, plenty of products for this amazing car. Just throwing through the gears, man. Yeah, like, just test driving this thing afterwards, I had a smile on my face the whole time.
Now, so this is our Supercup exhaust, which is the louder exhaust in our lineup. We also have the Max Flow, of course, and it's definitely a sporty sound. I was honestly expecting a bit more drone. I've never driven the 986 with the Supercup, but it's really not as bad.
Yeah, you could lug it and you're fine, no problem. Like, you could take it on the highway. Yeah, it's got a great sound to it.
Exactly. This is, you know, meant to be a bit more of a weekend-oriented or track-oriented exhaust.
Yeah, for, you know, for the people who are a little more hardcore. And yeah, just higher in the rev range, it's so worth it. It's so worth it. Why don't you get a nice pull here? Just sings, man.
That does sound good. For the $10,000–$15,000 car that 986s are, to get that amazing,
just the whole experience, really.
Yeah, flat six sounds.
Yeah. And for what it's worth, you know, from a performance perspective, we do drop a lot of weight putting the system on. You know, getting rid of the massive muffler. I had to use pole jacks dropping the thing down. It was so heavy I couldn't do it by myself, but.
Right,
and
yeah,
you probably should drop, gosh, my guess would probably be like 40 pounds, which, you know, on a car like this is a pretty big deal. It's pretty substantial.
Yeah, it's a big weight savings. It's a big weight savings, and of course, like you said, you're also freeing up some ponies. This is definitely a much more freer flowing exhaust than stock, and it's got our signature cast X pipe, which is going to help with exhaust scavenging, give you that nice, smooth, high-pitched tone.
Yeah, it ditches the H pipe, and yeah, you know, with the tips too, helps give it a little bling bling, whether you want, you know, like the polished tips like what this one's got, or, you know, the signature carbon fiber tips. Yeah, you know, just helps spice up the car a little bit.
Right, exactly. We've got the polished tips, the carbon fiber, or satin black.
Right, and satin black, correct. Give it the beans before this truck. What a great way to spend a summer day, man.
That's a beautiful sound.
Rowing the gears, you know, revving the engine out, wind in your hair. Really doesn't get much better than this. Give it the beans. The bean burrito special.
Oh, yeah. So now we're just driving along on the highway, doing about 60 in sixth gear.
Yeah,
not too bad.
Yeah, we can just have a conversation, and again, it's really not all that bad. Like the drone, that's
for that great sound you get up in the high RPMs. You know, it's really quite livable.
Yeah.
You know,
definitely would be my system of choice, but with the sport cats as well. Some nice crisp downshifts.
Oh man,
it's
that's great.
Yeah. All right, Rob, give it the beans one more time.
All right, get a little downshift up here.
good tunnel. I just want to build tunnels around my house with nothing going over them. And the cornering too, oh my gosh. Really is nice, yeah.
It's beautifully balanced.
Yeah, very planted around the jug handle. All right, one more tunnel, one more tunnel. I'd rather be in this than that Mustang GT we passed. No contest.
Oh, well, yeah.
No contest.
No contest. Well, there you have it, guys. That's our Super Cup for the 986. Just a little ride along with our tech Mike, and hopefully this helps let you guys know whether this is the right exhaust for you.
Yep, we're pulling back into the shop, so yeah, we'll get some revs and keep you updated. Thanks for choosing Fabspeed, and we'll see you out there on the road.
Thanks for watching, guys. Good to go. All right, this is audio sync. Just sync, sync, sync.
Sync.
All right, cool. We're all synced up.